Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best auto glue is probably one of the most important adhesives you'll ever use on your car, from fixing broken trim pieces and cracked dashboards to bonding metal parts and securing aftermarket accessories. Choosing the right one can be a game changer, ensuring a durable and long-lasting repair that can withstand the test of time, extreme temperatures, and various weather conditions. Today, we will explore the top automotive glues on the market, comparing their strengths, weaknesses, and best use cases to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. JB Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder. It's a quick-setting, two-part adhesive system. It creates strong, lasting repairs on a variety of materials. For over 40 years, it has earned a reputation for quality and reliability. It provides the world's strongest bond for your projects. It has a simple 1:1 mixing ratio, sets in just 15 minutes, and can be sanded after 30 minutes. It's incredibly easy to use. With a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, it cures to a hard, permanent bond. You can count on it for lasting repairs. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor use on various materials, including plastics, composites, and more. It also works great as a gap filler. It's the ultimate solution for strong, lasting repairs on a wide range of materials. Get yours today. What we like. This automotive glue boasts a rapid setting time, creating a strong, lasting bond. It's incredibly versatile, working on a wide variety of materials. If you need a quick fix that's tough and reliable for many surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The JB Weld Plastic Bonder has been a fantastic solution for my various repair projects. This body panel adhesive and gap filler comes in a convenient syringe, making application precise and easy. The black color blends well with many surfaces, providing a clean and professional finish. One of the things I like most about this product is its strength. It forms a solid bond that holds up well under stress, making it perfect for automotive repairs and other demanding applications. The quick setting time is also a huge plus, allowing me to complete projects efficiently without long waiting periods. Worked great on my polymer suitcase. The suitcase was cracked around one of its wheels. After applying generous amounts of the epoxy along the crack, on both the inside and outside of the suitcase, the crack is gone. While I did not do any finishing work to the patch, the suitcase and epoxy are both black, it appears that it can be sanded down and smoothed out if one desired to do so. I had a plastic trim piece on my car that kept falling off despite being professionally reattached twice at a body shop. I decided to give this a try, and so far, so good. It has held much longer than any of the professional repairs have lasted, including through the automatic car wash. Number 4. JB Weld 31310 RTV Sealant. It's a general-purpose sealant and adhesive, perfect for household or mechanical projects. This RTV silicone creates a strong, reliable bond. For over 4 decades, people have trusted it for their projects. We're proud to provide the world's strongest bond. It's simple to apply and forms a tough, waterproof seal that won't shrink or crack. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use. It works on a variety of surfaces, including automotive parts, glass, and even aquariums. It's the go-to solution for many different needs. From fixing a leaky faucet to sealing a car window, it's incredibly versatile. It's a reliable solution for many repair and maintenance tasks. This silicone sealant creates a strong, waterproof, and weather-resistant seal. It's the perfect choice for long-lasting repairs. What we like. This option provides a tough, waterproof seal that can withstand the elements. It won't crack or shrink, making it perfect for long-lasting repairs. If you're looking for a reliable seal against water damage and harsh conditions, this is your best bet. What people say. One of the standout features of the JB Weld 31319 is its exceptional durability. Once applied, it forms a strong and resilient bond that withstands a wide range of environmental conditions, including temperature fluctuations, moisture, and vibration. Another aspect of this product that I appreciate is its ease of use. The nozzle allows for precise application, minimizing waste and mess during the sealing process. The versatility of this product makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether I'm sealing leaks in automotive components, repairing household appliances, or even crafting custom projects, the JB Weld 31319 proves to be a reliable solution time and time again. Number 3. JB Weld 33120H SuperWeld Glue. It creates a strong, instant bond in seconds. This specially formulated cyanoacrylate glue works on many hard-to-bond surfaces. Builders, mechanics, and repair pros rely on it. It bonds strongly to a variety of surfaces, even in tough environments. The applicator lets you precisely target even the smallest areas. It bonds quickly and evenly to any surface. It's perfect for fixing china, glass, auto accessories, and more. Use it on rubber, plastic, vinyl, cloth, metal, even rear-view mirrors. Experience the superior bonding power of this super glue. It's the solution for all your household repair needs. What we like. This super glue offers an instant, incredibly strong bond. The applicator allows for precise placement, making it ideal for small, delicate repairs. If you need a super strong, quick fix for small parts, this glue is perfect for you. What people say. This specially formulated cyanoacrylate super glue provides an incredibly strong, instant bond in just seconds, working flawlessly on multiple and hard-to-bond surfaces like plastic, metal, and glass. It's ideal for a wide range of household needs, from auto accessories and rubber to plastic, vinyl, cloth, and metal. This JB Weld SuperWeld is amazing and worth a try. Number 2. 3M08008 Super Weatherstrip Adhesive. This powerful adhesive is perfect for all your weatherstripping, headliner, and gasket needs. It creates a strong, flexible bond that's built to last. It bonds weatherstripping, headliners, and gaskets securely. Say goodbye to leaks and drafts. This adhesive forms a flexible, waterproof seal that resists vibration and movement. It ensures a long-lasting, reliable bond. It's easy to brush and spread directly from the tube, saving you time and effort. No messy cleanup required. It resists oils, solvents, detergents, and temperature changes, providing permanent repairs. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions. It bonds to a wide variety of surfaces, including vinyl, metal, fabrics, and rubber. It's the ultimate solution for all your sealing needs. What we like. This adhesive creates a flexible, waterproof bond that resists vibrations. It's easy to apply, saving you time and effort. If you need a flexible, waterproof bond for weatherstripping or similar applications, this is the right choice. What people say. The adhesive forms an incredibly strong bond that withstands even the harshest weather conditions. It has proven to be incredibly durable. Even after several weeks, the adhesive is still going strong, providing a robust seal that shows no signs of weakening or peeling. The application process was also a breeze. The adhesive comes in a convenient 5 fluid ounces tube, making it easy to control and apply exactly where needed. The nozzle allows for precise dispensing, which is crucial when working with delicate weather strips. I appreciated the fast-drying formula that ensured a quick and hassle-free installation. I used this for gasket repairs, and it worked flawlessly. The adhesive holds tight and resists heat and moisture. Application was straightforward, and cleanup was minimal. Number 1. Vicpricme Metal Glue. This advanced 2-part epoxy glue is incredibly strong and versatile. Its mayonnaise-like consistency makes it easy to apply, and the reusable container ensures you get the most out of every purchase. It boasts superior temperature, oil, and chemical resistance, plus incredible impact resistance and strength. It's perfect for tough repairs in automotive, marine, and construction applications. This epoxy sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours, creating a bond strong enough to withstand extreme temperatures. It can handle metal, plastic, wood, and more. From fixing cracked bumpers to repairing leaky pipes, its uses are virtually limitless. It's a cost-effective solution for a wide range of DIY projects. Simply mix equal parts, apply to the clean surface, press the parts together, and let it set. It's that easy to achieve professional-looking repairs. With its superior strength, versatility, and ease of use, it's the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. Get yours today. What we like. This heavy-duty epoxy glue offers exceptional strength and durability, withstanding extreme temperatures and various chemicals. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of materials and repairs. If you need a super strong, long-lasting bond for tough repairs, this is the glue for you. What people say. Glue mixes and spreads well. Glue must set for 24 hours, but we only had about 12 hours. Even though the glue only cured for 12 hours, it held up. Didn't come apart. The plastic bracket under the door handle had broken off. I used this glue weld, first by gluing a small washer in place. After that dyed, blue painter's tape to form a shape I needed. Filled the form, the next day peeled off the tape and used a Dremel tool for shaping. Drilled a 3/16 hole and mounted the door panel. It worked very well to my surprise. Easy to work with, dispensers work well, epoxy does what they say. Sets a little longer than 5 minutes, which worked well for Maine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.